We'll guide you through how to delete a second profile on Facebook on a phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So there's a feature on Facebook which allows you to go and have multiple profiles, as you probably know, and perhaps you created one and you no longer want it. So what we can do is go and delete it so it'll no longer be on Facebook. Alternatively, you can deactivate it as well, so that will remove it from Facebook and you can always get it again in the future, but we'll be mainly guiding you through deleting it. So to go and get started with this, you want to go to the bottom right or potentially the top right, depending upon your device. There will either be the profile or menu button, which you want to go and tap on. So I've got an updated version of Facebook, which takes to my profile, but otherwise we'll be taken to the menu. So to get to the menu on here, I need to press the 3 lines in the top left like so. This will pretty look more like the menu. And then you'll go and see your profile at the top. You need to go and switch to your second profile. So we'll go and press the arrow to the right. Then we can go down and switch to it, which I'll go and do now. I've now successfully switched. Then what we can do is after you switch, just remember you are going to be deleting this. You're going to lose all the data on it. So consider that any photos you want to go and save, feel free to do that. Then what we want to do is go and head to the menu and profile again. So I'll press profile in the bottom right. Then you can go and press the 3 lines in the top left. Otherwise, you'll just be brought straight here if you have the menu button. Then what we can do is we can go and scroll down and find settings and privacy, and you can go and press settings like so. Now in here, we need to stay at the top and you need to go and press on the account center like so. And you want to go down into account settings and you'll find the option for personal details. You can go and tap there. Then in here, you'll find account ownership and control at the bottom, which you can tap on, and you can press deactivation or deletion. Go and choose the second profile. This is this here for me. And so then what you can do is choose deactivate. As I said, that's temporary, but we can also go and delete it permanently. So I'll do that there, then press continue. Then you're going to go and see what information is going to be deleted. Press continue if you're sure. You can go and give a reason here, and then you can go and press continue. Then we try and sort of resolve that problem. Then you can go and choose to deactivate it. You can save posts, export it if you want, so read that through. And then if you're sure, you can press continue, enter your password, press continue, and then finally you can go and press delete profile. You can still go and recover it within 30 days if you choose to. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.